Golden Hands is a therapeutic massage located in Kajeng Street, number 20 in Ubud, Bali. This is one of Balinese traditional spa served with golden hands and unit care. Performed directly by experienced therapists in a traditional Balinese atmosphere, and of course, with affordable price. This spa have a 5 single room and also 1 couple rooms to support us to give our best treatment to our customer. For achieve our goals, we do a promotion with brochure share to the guests and give them 10% off for our spa package. We do a promotion that will increase the brand awareness of our business for finally the customer interested and choosing the services that we provide. The main market of Golden Hand Spa is the guests from Australia, United States, India, Japan, Korea, and also the guests around Ubud market. In Golden Hand Spa Ubud, we have several treatment options such as body massage, spa package, hot stone treatment, neck and shoulder treatment, and so on. Services for wellness and fatigue contribute to guest satisfaction. We also created a barcode connected to our link tree to make our customer more easier looking for more information about us. Access our Instagram account to get more followers and give their feedback in our Tripadvisor as our brand image.
Om Swastiastu, perkenalkan nama saya Dewa Sukro selaku pemilik Golden Hand, dan saya sangat berterima kasih dengan kedatangan mahasiswa-siswi dari kelompok 4 semester 6 PPH D. Dengan kedatangan mereka sangat membantu meningkatkan dengan cara membuat brosur, mengedarkan kepada tamu-tamu, dan membuat konten-konten menarik tentang Golden Hand. Dan saya sangat mengapresiasi dengan kedatangan siswa-siswi ini selama ini. Dan semoga Golden Hand kedepannya dapat meningkatkan lebih baik dan berkualitas. Terima kasih.